Welcome to my honest review of CountAbout, a personal finance app designed to help you track expenses, plan budgets, and manage your financial life efficiently. Right from the start, CountAbout sets itself apart with its seamless integration with major banks and the ability to import data from other financial tools like Quicken and Mint. This makes transitioning to CountAbout smooth, especially for users who want to keep their historical financial data intact. The interface is clean and user-friendly, with a dashboard that provides an overview of your financial health. The app organizes data into categories like income, expenses, and savings goals, helping users get a clear picture of their spending habits. One of the standout features of CountAbout is its customizable categories. You can tailor them to reflect your unique financial needs, which is a big plus for those who dislike the rigidity of predefined templates. Another great feature is the app's powerful reporting tools. You can generate detailed reports to analyze your spending patterns, helping you identify areas where you might be overspending. The charts and graphs make it easy to visualize your financial data, which is especially helpful for visual learners. CountAbout also prioritizes security, using bank-level encryption to protect your data. Unlike some free apps, CountAbout is a subscription-based service, which eliminates the need for ads and ensures that your data isn't sold to third parties. This focus on privacy and security is a significant advantage. Setting up your account is straightforward. You start by linking your bank accounts, which the app securely syncs to provide real-time updates on your transactions. Once the accounts are synced, the app automatically categorizes your expenses, saving you time and effort. However, you still have the flexibility to recategorize or add notes for more specific tracking. While CountAbout doesn't offer features like investment tracking or direct bill payment, it excels in its primary purpose, helping you manage your day-to-day finances with ease and accuracy. For users who prefer an ad-free experience with reliable data synchronization, CountAbout is a solid choice. Overall, CountAbout is a robust and reliable tool for anyone looking to gain control over their personal finances. Whether you're new to budgeting or a seasoned pro, this app has something to offer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below.